Welcome back, students. Let us solve another problem. So the set of all real values of lambda for which the quadratic equation lambda square plus 1 of x square minus 4 lambda x plus 2 is equal to 0 always have exactly one root in the interval 0 to 1 open interval. Okay, is. So now once again let us plot the graph. So only one interval is between 0 and 1. Okay. So this is 0, this is 1. Okay. We are talking about this root. Okay. So it doesn't matter whether it is positive side concave up or concave down. If you recall, when we derived the conditions, right? We have proved that the condition satisfies for both the cases, right? So by default, let us follow concave up case because we don't know whether it is positive or negative here. Okay, so that's why we started with concave up case for this plot. Okay, so now let us see. So he says one root is in 0, 1. So that means, so first of all we can take the value of discriminant. Okay, so let us take the value of discriminant. B square minus 4ac. So d is greater than 0. So b square is 16 lambda square minus 4 into a is lambda square plus 1 minus into 2. 4ac, c is 2, not minus. Okay, so 16y square minus 8 lambda square, 16 lambda square minus 8 lambda square minus 8 is greater than 0. So this is 8 lambda square minus 8 greater than 0. So 8 common we can take. So lambda square minus 1 greater than 0. Now we have lambda plus 1, lambda minus 1 greater than 0. Okay. So for this, once again we can apply Wavy curve. We have minus 1, plus 1, plus, minus, plus. He is asking for greater than, so that's why positive values you need to consider. Right. So lambda belongs to minus infinity to minus 1. Okay. And union 1 comma infinity. All are open intervals. Why? Because strictly greater than 0 here we are considering. Okay. Now we have root between 0 and 1. So that's why it is we can write the condition that f of 0 into f of 1 is less than 0. We can use this condition. Okay. So f of 0 is, if you put 0 here, you will get 2. Okay. And if you put 1 here, you will get lambda square plus 1. If you put 1 here, minus 4 lambda plus 2 is less than 0. So if you expand it, 2 lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 6 is less than 0. So lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 3 is less than 0. So if you write factorize, you will be getting lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 3 is less than 0. Once again we can use Wavy curve. 1, 3 we have. So plus minus plus. So here he is asking for less than 0, so that's why we need to consider negative, whatever we have in the negative part, right? So lambda belongs to, since it is strictly less than, open interval. Okay, so lambda belongs to open interval 1 comma 3. Okay, so here what we got here, so when we got this value, so lambda belongs to, we have this set here by applying a discriminant condition. Now we have this set here, lambda belongs to 1 comma 3. Now what is common between these two? What is the intersection? This one. Okay, hence this is the answer. Okay, so the answer is lambda belongs to 1 comma 3. Okay, so I hope you get it. Thank you.